Okay, let's build a course from scratch. So first thing we want to do is go to the projects area, click new and new course. We're going to give it a name, demo course, and we're going to give it some description. We're going to give it tags, demo, quick author, and so on. The tags will help your learners to find the course. You can also change the front cover image. Let's just do that. And then we're going to click create. So now that we've done that, we have the course details that we've uploaded. We can make any changes there if we want, add more tags, etc. Change the cover image. We can change all the branding and the design for this particular course. You can do this at the lesson level as well. And then we're going to add this lesson. So let's just go ahead and add a blank lesson. Demo. And demo. And generate. Okay, so we're given 2 slides by default, our introduction and exit. Okay, and you can see, like everything in QuikAuthor, you can just go ahead and type in. You can change anything that you want, color, size, style, etc. Super easy. If I wanted to change the image, I can just go ahead and choose something from the library, drop it in, and we see it appear. There are another way of working as well, so you can edit directly into the experience if you want, and you can see the menu hover up here, but we're just going to go back to the clean view editor for today. Okay. To build your experience, all you need to do is add new slides. So you can do that by clicking the button up here, or if you know where you want to add the slide, you can just click add slide. If you have built other courses and you want to bring in, for example, slides from another course, and you can see you can just drop that in. Okay, but if you're building from scratch, then you're going to follow these templates. We've got the teaching area, the testing area, the gaming, and then branching and logic. So branching and logic allows you to kind of skip through various areas if you want to. So we'll start with teach with text. If you wanted to filter by any particular area, you can do. We're going to choose a simple flip card. So here you can see we can just flip to find more information. Again, make changes to the title. If you want to change the front of the card, the back of the card, if you want to change the color, yeah, all of these things, you just follow the instructions to do. So super simple, just follow the instructions. If you want to change the prompt, you can do, for example, it's all there. Okay. So that's teaching, and you see that there's a bunch of different teaching templates that you can include in here. We've also got imagery, so we'll choose a simple before and after template. So you can see we've got a before and after imagery. Again, just make the changes that you want. If you want to change the color, you can do, yeah. If I want to choose a new image, I'll go and choose an image from the library, crop it to shape, drop it in, and we can see here we've got our new image appear, yeah. If I wanted to change the text that is associated with that, again, I can change the size and the color, super simple. Okay. Teaching quizzes are just as simple, so we're going to go and have a look at some quizzing templates here. Maybe we'll choose a simple true or false where we decide the answer. Change the question, yeah, I'm going to say the correct answer is true, yeah, and again I can change the text, yeah, and then we submit. Unfortunately, I got that one incorrect. Okay, so there's lots of different templates that you can choose. You've got image-based templates as well. So, you know, if for example you want to set out where hotspots are on this template, then you have all the controls here where you can move different hotspots, rename them, rebrand them, etc. Yeah, and then we're into games. So we'll take a look at, for example, a Millionaire game. Yeah, we've got our quiz here. We can change any details that we want. If we want to change questions, we can. If we want to change the answers, we can. And then you can see you can add more lifelines if you want to, clues, and then you'll see how they work, yeah, when you interact with the learning experience. You can also see the feedback aspect. If you want timers on or off, then you can switch them. If you want to change the amount of time available for people, you can do. Okay. So again, everything's really coloured by numbers here. You'll see a bunch of different games that you can choose through, and then if you want to, you can also look at the branching and logic aspect. So here, for example, if we take a confidence slider, what I'm saying is if I'm 90% confident, then I have the ability to skip. And again, you can change all the controls here around what confidence looks like, what they need to do in order to move across, and then indeed where they can skip to in terms of the slides that they're going to move to. Okay, so here we can see they can move straight to the end if they get this question right. You can also see there's a warning here around excluding skip quizzes. The idea is from a score reporting perspective, as you skip across those quizzes, they're not going to count in the actual final result, because that would mean that you've only deployed the quizzes at the end, for example, of the course. Okay, so just be mindful of that. So that's the design aspect, really simple. If you want to change the perspective, so you want to look at a storybook view where you can move things around, you can do, yeah, we'll keep it in focus view. If you want to see what it's going to look like on different devices, again, you can do. You do have some other tools in here where you can, for example, share a unique generated link. So if people want to preview the course, then they can just use that link, drop it in, yeah, and we'll see the course that we've been working on appear. Yeah, so it's all really very simple to work with. Can't find it where I was working now. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good. Okay. If you want to change anything about the lesson branding, so if you want to have specific lesson branding or behaviors or the cover image you want to change, again, you have all the controls in here as well. But that's it in terms of lesson building. Once you're happy with it, if you want to, you can do a QA scan to make sure that there's no bugs inside your lesson or course. If you want to translate it, then you can translate it into different languages. We're going to keep it as English. And if you want to export it, then you can choose, if you have multiple lessons, you could choose specific lessons. If you want to think about a particular format, you can do. There's also a PDF review document. So this is just export, just the text from the course so that someone can review that, and an HTML link so people can just access it through the browser. Hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to seeing your results. Thanks.